so sweet. Here is the bean, it grows on a tree. On a tree. We roast them hot, as you can see. You can see? Are you ready? Here we go! Crack, 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 crack. Peel the shell, don't look back. Don't look back. Grind, 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 grind. Make it smooth, the best you'll find. Add some sugar. Sugar.